Hi there, this is Ranjit and I have the Realme 3 with me, and quite a few of you have asked me how's the performance of this smartphone, and some of you have asked me to do the gaming review. So we'll be doing that in this video and we'll be playing PUBG as well as Asphalt 9. But before that I also ran some benchmarks of this device, so we'll talk about that first. Let me show you the Geekbench scores. I just run it, so let me show you. And as you can see, we got a score of 1484 over here, and multi-core score of 5191, as you can see. And this is running on the MediaTek Helo P70 chipset, which is actually pretty good chipset. As you can see, the scores are really good. And now I also had run Antutu, so let me actually show you the Antutu scores to give you an idea. And we got a score of 1,34,297, and as you can see, here is the breakdown. So actually pretty good considering the price point of this device. And the base variant is going to be sold for 9,000 rupees in India, and during the first sale, I think so, they said that you will have a 500 rupees instant discount if you use HDFC, so it will be effectively available for 8,500. So I feel that's a great price. But now let's look at the gaming and see how it does. This is Asphalt 9, so let's play that. So guys, this is Asphalt 9 and let's see how it handles it. And as you can see, it's doing a good job. And as you can see, it's handling it fine. So as you can see, it's playing this Asphalt 9 without any issues. And I played it a little bit and it's running it fine. The only thing that I've noticed is that the speaker is over here. So if you hold it tightly, then you can completely block the speaker. Apart from that, I would say it handled everything fine. So let's just get out of this and you just swipe here to get back to the apps and stuff. Now let's play PUBG and see how it handles. Many of you were asking me how it handles up PUBG, so let's play that. So as you can see, guys, we in the plane, and let's just jump now. As of now, it's fine. As you can see, I don't see any lagginess or anything, but let's go down and see how it behaves. So this is PUBG, as you can see, guys. Got our first kill. Let's change the gun, damn it. So we killed him. Let's see what we have in this bag. So as you can see, guys, as of now, no lag that I'm noticing in PUBG. Let me take a painkiller. And guys, I just don't play that much of PUBG, but just for you guys, I am just playing it so that you can get an idea how it. Oops. Ooh. I just can't see him. So the good thing is that I'm not noticing any lag while playing this game. As I told you, I suck at PUBG. Oops, from where are you hitting me? Okay, I got him. Got 2 kills at least. Let's see what he has in his bag. Yes, bandages I need. Can hear the firing, can't locate them. But the good thing is, as you can see, guys, noticing no lag on this one. So definitely it can play PUBG well. Somebody is hitting us. Oops. Oh, bullets got over. Oh shit, somebody's still hitting us. Oh, there he is. I have very less bullets. Let's see. We can check what is in this. I need this, all this. He's hitting us. We have very few bullets. We killed him and just the bullets got over. Let's see. I hope he has bullets. So as you can see, guys, it's playing PUBG really well, so you don't have to worry about it. And I don't see any lag, and I was able to get some kills with this one. So yeah, so regarding PUBG, as you can see, it plays it fine on this Realme 3, guys. So, and the good thing is that it's been roughly about 10 odd minutes since we are playing it, and the handset did not get very hot. What I've noticed with many of the phones with PUBG is that it really gets really hot. This one is not getting that hot. As you can see, just about 42-43 degrees it's going. I've seen phones going about 47-48 degrees. So yes, it is definitely getting a little bit warm, but not very hot with PUBG. So that was the gaming with the PUBG. I'll just get out. So what do I feel about the gaming performance of this one? As you saw, the gaming performance is good, and as I've mentioned, it starts at 9,000 rupees, but during the first sale they even have that 500 rupees off if you use a HDFC card, so you can get this device at 8,500 rupees, and at that 8,500 rupees I feel it's a pretty good bet. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.